Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've opened your presentation. Now act. Select the slide or slides you want to change and click Background in the toolbar at the top. This opens the background dialog so you can choose color or image. Make sure you're editing the right slide group because changes can apply to one slide or the whole deck. Once done, you'll choose either a color or an image source, so decide whether you need a plain background or a custom graphic before moving on. Now choose how to style the background. Click Color for a solid fill and use presets or custom to type a hex code for precision. If you want graphics, click Image and pick Upload, My Drive, Photos by URL or Camera. Uploading gives best control. Drag and drop or browse. Make sure to check Add to Theme if you want this background on every slide of the theme. Once you've selected a file or color, confirm with Done so the change takes effect. Finish by reviewing the slide. If elements overlap, use Arrange to move text boxes and make sure contrast is readable. To apply the same background everywhere, choose Add to Theme so new slides inherit it. If you need to change the image later, open Background again and replace image. If the background won't appear or is corrupted, clear your browser cache, re-upload a PNG or JPG, and check file size. That simple troubleshooting will resolve most display or upload errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.